Today, I'm extremely excited to show you this high-end, newly renovated, 4-bedroom detached chalet bungalow, ready for tenants to move in straight away in a prime location. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you love this property just as much as I do and you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with a similar property and you're looking for a rental valuation, please get in touch.